If you've ever worked with a pupil affected by trauma who seems shut down, withdrawn, or constantly on edge, you'll know that just giving instructions or consequences rarely gets through. And that's where the PACE approach can be a game changer. It stands for playfulness, acceptance, curiosity, and empathy. And it's all about helping students feel emotionally safe enough to connect, trust, and learn. Playfulness doesn't mean being silly, but it's a warm, lighter tone that helps reduce defensiveness. Acceptance is showing the child that you can handle their feelings, even the big messy ones, without judgment. Curiosity sounds like, I wonder if you're feeling worried because of what happened earlier today. It invites reflection without pressure. And empathy is key, meeting the child where they are emotionally, even when their behaviour is challenging. When we lead with PACE, we're saying this relationship isn't conditional and I'm with you no matter what. That emotional safety helps pupils move from survival mode into a space where real change can happen. Now, of course, PACE doesn't mean letting go of boundaries, but it does mean combining those boundaries with emotional attunement. And when we get that balance right, that's where relationships grow, behaviour improves, trust starts to build. If you want to learn more about supporting pupils affected by trauma, there's a brilliant training module inside Behaviour 360 called How to Support Students Affected by Trauma. It helps you understand their needs and their behaviour step by step, and it gives you real life strategies that work, because sometimes what a child needs most isn't escalating consequences. It's a calm adult who knows how to connect first so they don't get heightened in the first place.